I think it's important to have accelerators in this space. I think fintech in general globally is still a very new area within the startup ecosystem. More particularly here in Asia-Pacific is even newer, is even less mature. I think the challenges around fintech is quite big because it's such a heavily regulated industry, financial services, unlike some of the other startup industries. And also, the financial institutions are very complex organizations. Outside of being highly regulated, they're also very, very difficult to tap into. So I think the ecosystem is really important. So outside from accelerators to help push and drive the growth of the industry, it's also important to have other key players such as civic support from the government, to have the right entrepreneurs, the financiers that also understand this space. So the success of it will definitely be driven by a very collaborative ecosystem. One of the statistics we recently saw was that the banks are planning to spend, I think, nearly 500 million this year 500 billion this year just on IT. So there is a real focus in the fintech space. So there's a lot of opportunity for growth. Again, you're starting from a very low base. And again, there's some real serious challenges. But in Southeast Asia in general, there are a lot of opportunity for some of the small business because, especially in the emerging markets, there are some of the consumers out there that are what we call the unbanked consumers, which don't even have bank accounts yet, where startups can address how do we engage those type of consumers along with the helping the financial institutions doing that.